Hi, everyone. My name is Avni Desai, and I am a fourth year medical student at UNC and rising PGY1 at Columbia. Here are some tips for one of the most underrated parts of AUA making time for the fun stuff. First, take some time to explore Washington, D.C. This is such a unique host city, and it's worth stepping outside the convention center. The National Mall is perfect for a walk. You can see iconic landmarks and enjoy the amazing scenery. If you're into museums, there are many that are free and within walking distance. And if you're a foodie, DC has an amazing restaurant scene from more casual spots to over 25 Michelin starred restaurants. Second, challenge yourself to network. There's so many events happening throughout the meeting, whether it's alumni receptions, events geared at trainees, or even just informal meetups. Try to step outside your comfort zone and introduce yourself as someone new. Finally, don't forget to check out the swag. The exhibit hall is full of booths with fun giveaways, and it's also a great way to learn about new technologies and organizations. Overall, AUA can be busy, but building in a little time for fun, exploration, and connection really makes the experience memorable. I hope you enjoy DC and have an amazing meeting.